Namaskaram and welcome to all the beautiful ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house to exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012 with a first store in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Now we have 14 stores all across South India. In Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Beat the best prices, the best quality and best collection. We have it all and we always provide the best to our dear customers. Make sure you're visiting your nearest VML stores to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and lovely interiors too. Now, today we have amazing collections of Gadwal Pattu sarees and let me start with the one that I'm wearing right now. But before that, I am going to flaunt my beautiful jewelry. Let's have a look at the jewelry which is by Aqua Diamonds based in Banjara Hills. Moving on to it now. Moving on to the sarees, I am going to flaunt my beautiful jewelry which is by Aqua Diamonds based in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Let's have a look at it. Have a look at this beautiful temple jewelry necklace in gold with embedded diamonds. Very beautiful design complementing my blue and maroon color saree in an amazing way. I have these dangling earrings in gold. Very lovely, they are very lightweight and they have so much intricate design on them. Very lovely jewelry. And these beautiful bangles which have diamonds in them. They are very pretty, they are very lightweight and I have these beautiful rings too and I'm wearing these double nose rings. The lovely jewelry is by Aqua Diamonds based in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Now let me start with the first saree that I'm wearing. It's a beautiful Kanchipattu saree, so I can't wait to show you the details of it. It's a lovely peacock blue color Kanchipattu saree. And we have gold zari checks and we have bigger gold zari checks on the body. Inside the zari checks, we have floral butties in champagne gold zari, and on the edge of the zari checks, we have florals too on all the four corners. Very beautiful pattern, very beautiful design. The body which is in maroon color, we have peacocks, we have florals, and we also have these floral butties at the edge of the border. Moving on to a lovely pallu which has beautiful floral butties inside curvy floral jal checks. All the beautiful work is in gold zari which looks very royal on the maroon color pallu. And here we have a contrasting blouse too which is in maroon color. To place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Also ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter in which part of the world you are sitting when you place an order for our sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, we will deliver it to you in no time and we have cash and delivery option only available in Hyderabad. Let me now show you our first saree from the Gadwal Pattu collection. Moving on to it now. The first beautiful Gadwal Pattu saree is in a lovely combination of pink with blue. Let's start with the body which has these beautiful floral butties in gold zari alternating with the peacock butties which are also in gold zari. We have very elegant work. The work is very light and it's very simple, giving it a very beautiful and elegant look. Moving on to the border which is in blue color. We have cross lines in gold zari and we have small floral butties also in line. We have small temples also in gold zari and then we have blue color temples on the pink color body. Let me now show you a lovely pallu for this one. The pallu which has brocade work and we have these beautiful paisleys inside curvy checks in gold zari. Here is a lovely beautiful blouse for this saree. It's a contrasting blouse in blue color and to place an order all you have to do is take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Also ladies, let me tell you that these prices are valid only for a limited amount of time. The weavers prices are valid only for limited amount of time. So please hurry up and place your order for these beautiful Gadwal Pattu sarees right away. Let me now show you a next lovely saree now. And here is the next beautiful Gadwal Pattu saree. It's in a combination of blue with pink. Very lovely and bright combination. Let's have a look at its body. The body which has floral butties and peacock butties too. We have a combination of gold and silver zari on this lovely blue color body of the saree. Let me now show you the border which is in bright pink color and we have these diamonds in gold zari. We have dollars in boxes on both sides And we have these elephants and peacocks in curvy florals and leaves jal. Very beautiful design in gold zari on this lovely pink color border. Let's have a look at this beautiful pallu. The pallu, which has florals in curvy checks, it's beautiful brocade, it's very lovely in gold zari, looking gorgeous and very royal. We have a beautiful contrasting blouse for this blue color sari, the blouse which is in pink color. And to place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot along with item code and send it to 8900010002. Also ladies, we have an alternative purchase option. All you have to do is click on the links which are mentioned in the description box. The links will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com. On the website, you can directly add this sari and many more other saris to your cart and place the order right away. We will deliver your saris to you in no time, so please stay patient and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let's move on to next beautiful sari from the Gadwal Pattu collection now. Dear ladies, I'm back with our next beautiful sari, which is in peach color with mustard color. It's a beautiful Gadwal Pattu sari. The body of this one has peacock buttis, and we have yalis too. We have gold and silver zari work on the peach color body, which looks extremely royal. It looks very gorgeous. The border for this beautiful sari is in mustard color. So the gold zari and mustard looks very subtle, it looks very elegant, and we have diamonds, we have dollars in boxes, and we have these beautiful peacocks, we have yallis, and we have gold and silver zari combination there. So silver zari is like an ornament there. We are adding detailings in silver zari on the gold zari. Very beautiful combination. The pallu for this one. The pallu is diamond brocade work in gold zari, and again on the sides on the border we have silver zari ornamentation. Very lovely design, very beautiful combination. We have a contrasting blouse in mustard color for this peach color sari. And to place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, customers, let me tell you that when it comes to best prices, best quality and best offers, we always give you the most exclusive ones. So when you go to a market and if you want to compare the prices, if you want to compare the quality, please do that. And at the end, you will know that Varamahalakshmi Silks has always the best two offers to our dear lovely customers. Let me now show you a next beautiful sari from the Gadwal Pattu collection. Beautiful ladies, I'm back with the next beautiful Gadwal Pattu sari. This one is in a lovely combination of green with pink. Let's start with the body now. The body, which has floral buttis and paisleys in floral buttis in gold zari all over the green color body. The work is very elegant, it's very simple, very lightweight too. Moving on to a beautiful pink color border. The border, which has diamonds in gold zari. We have small florals on the edge of the pink color border. We have temples in pink color on a green color body. And then we have these curvy florals and leaf jal. It's like a small ornamentation on both sides. And we have this main design, which is florals and leaf jal in gold zari on the beautiful pink color border. It's very royal, it's very rich color combination. And let's have a look. The pallu, which has florals in cross checks. We have huge paisley buttis too. Inside the paisley buttis, we have cross lines in gold zari. A lot of beautiful work, a lot of detailing is there on the beautiful pallu. And here comes a beautiful contrasting blouse for this beautiful green color sari. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Also ladies, let me tell you that these weavers prices are valid only for limited amount of time. So you will have to hurry up and place your orders right away. These saris are so exclusive, you should add them definitely to your wardrobe for this upcoming festive season. Moving on to next lovely sari from the Gadwal Pattu collection. And I'm back with the next beautiful sari for our lovely ladies. This one is in a very classic combination of red with green. And let's start with the body for this one. The body, which have paisley buttees, and it also has floral buttees. We have a combination of gold and silver zari on the red color body. The zari work looks extremely royal and rich on the red color body of this Gadwal Pattu sari. Let me now show you the green color border. So we have a lot of detailing on this one, and I'm going to show you each and every step of this. We are starting with curvy lines and small floral buttees in gold zari. After that, we have diamond buttees again in gold zari, and all the work is in gold zari. We have these boxes, and inside the boxes we have horses, peacocks, and temples on both sides. Beautiful and very rich in royal work. And again, we have curvy lines with small floral buttees and leaf buttees too. Let's have a look at this pallu now. The pallu, which has diamond brocade work, the beautiful work, is in gold zari. We have a lovely contrasting blouse in green color is there for this beautiful red color sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. So ladies, let me now tell you that we have a special service for all our dear customers who are not able to visit the store. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and we will then personalize a video calling shopping experience just for you. There we will show you all the collections of sarees that you want to see in different colors and various price ranges too. You can directly place the order during the video calling, and then we will deliver your sarees to you in no time. So please stay patient and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And now I'm going to show you a next beautiful saree from the Gadwal Pattu collection. Let's have a look at the next beautiful sarees, ladies. This one is in navy blue with blue color. Have a look at the beautiful body of this saree. We have floral buttees in gold zari and in silver zari too. Very elegant, very simple and lightweight work on this beautiful Gadwal Pattu saree. Let's have a look at the border of beautiful sari. Sari which has cross lines and gold zari on the border. We have small florals also on the edge. Then we have this major design which is florals with leaves jal. We have paisleys also on this beautiful floral and leaves jal. All the work is in beautiful gold zari. And we have temples in blue color on the navy blue color. So there's a subtle mild contrast. It's looking very lovely. And we have a lot of beautiful design on the border. Let me now show you the pallu of this saree. The pallu which has cross lines with leaves on them. We have beautiful gold zari work on a lovely blue color pallu. There is a beautiful contrasting blouse for this saree. The blouse which is in blue color contrasting with your navy blue color saree. All the shades are in cool tone, but it's a very lovely, beautiful contrasting combination. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Dear ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, so no matter where you are sitting in the world, when you place an order from Varamahalakshmi Silks, we will deliver it to you in no time. We have cash and delivery option only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid only for limited amount of time, so you should hurry up to add these beautiful sarees, very exclusive sarees to your wardrobe for this festive season. You can also shop by clicking on the links which are mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to our website, that is kanchyvml.com. There you can add this saree and many other beautiful sarees to your wardrobe and place the order right away. We will deliver your sarees to you in no time, so you just have to stay patient and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Also, I'm going to flaunt my beautiful jewelry now, which is by Aqua Diamonds. Let's have a look at it. My beautiful necklace is in temple gold jewelry style. Very beautiful, isn't it? It's complementing my blue and maroon color saree beautifully. I have these dangling earrings in jhumki style. They're very beautiful, they are very lightweight, and they have so much detailing in them. I extremely love my jewelry. We have these beautiful delicate bangles in diamonds and gold, and I'm wearing 2 nose rings. We have beautiful rings too for this set, and this jewelry is by Aqua Diamonds based in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. So dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's collection, which was Gadwal Pattu sarees. We tried to show you a wide range of colors and wide price ranges too. All the sarees are very festive and you should place your orders right away. The Weavers prices are valid only for limited amount of time. We will be back soon with another collection. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.